Looking for a beginner-friendly sewing tutorial you can actually follow? Today's project includes 2 clear, step-by-step videos designed so anyone, men or women, can learn faster, sew cleaner, and finally feel confident working on real garments. The first video walks through the basics, helping beginners understand how every stitch line affects the final look. You'll see how to align your fabric, secure the edges, and sew slowly so your lines stay clean and steady. Everything is filmed up close, making it easy to see how to hold the fabric, control the pressure, and follow the stitching path. The second video takes things up a level with a full sleeve making demo. It covers drafting the pattern, marking key points, cutting accurately, and sewing seams at about 0.6 inches. When sewing near the zipper area, the stitch stops right before the point where the zipper head passes that corner. A quick backstitch reinforces that spot, keeping the corner sharp and preventing it from shifting. The video also shows exactly how to fold, pivot, and adjust the fabric as you sew, so you can copy the technique without guessing. Both videos are completely silent, so you can focus on the visuals. Pause, replay, or follow along at your own pace. Everything is slow, clear, and easy for beginners to digest. The style is calm, detailed, and perfect for anyone who learns better by watching than listening.